Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Chainlink price prediction and Chainlink news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Chainlink in 2022. Founded in 2017, Chainlink is a blockchain abstraction layer that enables universally connected smart contracts. Through a decentralized Oracle network, Chainlink allows blockchains to securely interact with external data feeds, events and payment methods, providing the critical off-chain information needed by complex smart contracts to become the dominant form of digital agreement. Sergey Nazarov is a co-founder and CEO at Chainlink Labs. He graduated with a degree in business administration from New York University, with a focus on philosophy and administration. The Chainlink network is driven by a large open-source community of data providers, node operators, smart contract developers, researchers, security auditors and more. The company focuses on ensuring that decentralized participation is guaranteed for all node operators and users looking to contribute to the network. To learn more about this project, check out our deep dive of Chainlink. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Chainlink. With Chainlink down 60% from November highs, how are the investors making profit? The thrash of the bears has reached Chainlink as well, and its myriad of DeFi protocol integrations have not been able to save it either. In the while the market took to stop dipping, Chainlink already fell below its safe zone. Chainlink revisits the past at the time of this report. 63.68% of Chainlink's 662K addresses were witnessing losses. Now, this might not be as big a deal in general, since the entire market is observing losses. The consistent dips observed in the last 2 months certainly are to be blamed. But when it comes to Chainlink particularly, it is significantly worse, as this is the most Chainlink investors have suffered in over 3 years. The last time such a huge portion of investors was in losses was back in December 2018, when the figure touched 80.7%. Thus, the dejection is clearly visible in investors' behavior since network-wide their participation has come down. Daily active users, which at their peak were averaging around 15 to 16K, were still keeping above 3K until the end of December 2021. However, halfway through January, this average dropped to 2.7K and currently stands at 2.2K. Although whales are known to be active players regardless of the prevalent market conditions, Link whales too have slowed down at the moment. Conducting transactions worth less than $400 million for a month now, it becomes evident that Link is playing by the bears' rules right now. Chances of escape. Chainlink's price action is slightly concerning since the downtrend wedge has been stuck in closing in soon. Despite a few attempts to breach the long-term resistance, Link has failed to ride with the bulls. Fortunately, the price still stands far above the lower trend line of $13.3. Thus, giving Link some room to recover and attempt another breach. If the token manages to achieve a significant mark, the buying demand would eventually step in. It would also be a better time to opt for long trades. So, the next news about is Binance back in Malaysia via strategic stake in regulated digital exchange. Binance has forged an array of new partnerships with regulated firms, especially in countries where it has found it difficult to get regulatory approval. Binance, the world's leading crypto exchange by trading volume, is returning to the Malaysian markets, with a strategic stake in the country's regulated digital asset trading platform MX Global. Binance and Kaskapi Berhad acquired a key stake in MX Global, one of the 4 recognized market operators digital asset exchange, licensed by the Securities Commission, South Carolina, in Malaysia. The leading crypto exchange has a significant presence in the Asian region, and with its new partnership in Malaysia, the exchange aims to expand the sustainable growth of the crypto market in Southeast Asia. MX Global, on the other hand, aims to bank on the recent partnership and new flow of capital to expand its market and become a leading liquidity hub in the region. Binance's recent slew of partnerships also reflects a pattern of sorts, especially in regions where the exchange has found it difficult to mitigate regulatory compliance requirements independently. The crypto exchange had restricted its services in Malaysia back in July 2021, after an order from the South Carolina over non-compliance with the regulatory laws. A spokesperson from Binance told Cointelegraph that the recent partnership will help the crypto exchange understand the local regulatory approach and explained, "This is part of Binance's initiatives to cooperate with regulators. By working with regulated platforms, we are supporting local representatives to further expand their businesses while they stay compliant." In Singapore, the crypto exchange withdrew its crypto license application just a week after announcing an 18% stake in the private stock exchange. The crypto exchange also managed to access the United Kingdom's sterling payment network through its partnership with PaySafe, after getting barred by the country's regulator in 2021. The crypto exchange undertook a similar strategy in Thailand as well, where the exchange had to shut its operation in July 2021, but made a re-entry in the Thai market through its partnership with the country's Gulf Energy Development PCL in January 2022. In 2021, Binance faced regulatory warnings and service restrictions from over a dozen countries. However, the exchange managed to mend its regulatory relationship in several of these nations through third-party partnerships. Well, and your favorite forecast section at the end of the video. Today, as always, we will give a long-term forecast of the Chainlink Link price for 2022, 2025 and beyond. Link price prediction 2022. Link will be considered as the best option, and with a huge community, the Chainlink price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Chainlink rate will be almost $18.92. The maximum bet we can get is $21.46. Chainlink N 2022 average price prediction could be around $19.59. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Chainlink course prediction 2023. Links have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Chainlink, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $32.63. Link is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $28.46, a minimum price of $27.68, and a maximum price of $32.63. Chainlink price prediction 2024. Chainlink's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Link could reach $48.18 by 2024, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $39.78 for 2024, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Chainlink price prediction 2025. It appears that by 2025, Chainlink Link prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2025, we can expect the average rate to be $55.06. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Chainlink's maximum price could be up to $66.82 in 2025. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Link price forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Chainlink price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Link will rise to around $78.45 by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of $92.66 with a minimum price $75.70 level. Link price prediction 2027. Chainlink's value will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. Link is expected to top out at $130.12 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Chainlink will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Link will be between $106.79 and $110.72 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, Link's maximum price ranges from $106.79 to $130.12 for 2027.